Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove a page from Business Meta Suite. So let's go to Business Meta Suite first. This is the Business Meta Suite. You can see here, and then you have to go to Settings. Click on Settings. Then you'll find here this name or fully control page. Click on this, and you can click on this three dot and click on Remove Business Portfolio. This is the first option, and the second is you scroll down, then you'll find Facebook page. If you want to remove Facebook page from here, you have to click on Manage, then choose Remove Access. Just choose Remove Access and click on OK. Your access will be denied or Facebook page will be removed. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.